All right, let's do this thing. Welcome back, everyone, to the channel. Today we're continuing our Shopify Editions Summer 23 deep dive that showcases 100 new product updates coming to the platform soon and a lot of updates that are already on the platform. I did an overview of this entire catalog. I can link that video here if you want a quick overview of all these products that will really impact your business. A lot of these aren't that meaningful, like when it's talking about its APIs, when it's talking about its app development. It's not that important for everyday Shopify merchants or small business owners. However, there are a lot of things that caught my eye that I kind of talked about and went into detail, things that I have already experienced and are seeing on the platform when I run my store. So if you want that full video, feel free to click on that video to get a full understanding. But today I wanted to jump into this card. This is a card about the Shopify Bundles app. It's relatively high to the top of the page and something that they are releasing, that is released, and that they're really pushing. So the Shopify Bundles app is an app made and developed by Shopify. It is in the App Store right now. It is available to merchants right now. So the Shopify Bundles app is now in full release. Increase average order value, curate a better buying experience, and sync inventory in real time with our new free Bundles app. So this is one of the easier product releases that is very impactful but easier to understand. Essentially, it's just a way to group your products together into a bundle. There's a lot of value to this. This should get the brainstorming going on what kind of bundles you want to create, what kind of calculations in terms of revenue this could pull in, how you can release it. For example, there is a summer skin bundle here showing an example. You can maybe do seasonal releases. It's just another way to bring in more revenue to your platform and to your business. But if we click this, there's a picture here kind of describing what it looks like. Obviously, it's an app, so it's going to show in your Bundles app. So if we click this card, we get a little bit more information on it. Obviously, it's an app. When you download the app, it's going to be under the apps like this icon and named bundles. When you click into the app, you'll be able to select the products that you can put into a bundle, name the bundle full of products and variants, and then calculate the prices. So it says you can now create and sell bundles in Shopify with one of our best ways to increase your average order value, or AOV. For fixed bundles and multi-packs, try our free Shopify Bundles app. And it kind of goes on. So this is something, again, that is released now. Unlike a lot of these things that are still in development and going to be released later. If you click either of these buttons here, learn more or try now, it just brings it to the Shopify App Store. This is what the icon looks like, and this is what it looks like here. I would give it a shot. All Shopify made apps have kind of this 2.5 star rating. I don't know why it is, but it's a Shopify made app. So it's fully offered, developed by Shopify. And if you need any support by it, you can go directly to Shopify. As opposed to the way before this app, if you wanted to do anything with bundles, you would need to use a third-party app. You would need to go to the App Store, search up bundles, and find a third-party app. And if you have any issues, you got to deal with the third-party business. Some people like that. Some people don't like that. Some of these apps are free. Some of these apps have different pricing plans. However you feel about that. But this is Shopify's solution to this problem. This is something that I was actually using or looking into using because it seems pretty straightforward. However, I couldn't get it up yet, and that's because there is a lot of criteria that you need to follow that makes you eligible to follow this. So they have a help document that goes over like a checklist of things that you either need to have enabled or can't have enabled in order to use this. Like, for example, some of them are a little complicated. Like, you can't have certain scripts, and then you can't have certain third-party apps that can affect certain things like this. So it was for one of those reasons in the checklist, I wasn't eligible at the time, and I didn't really have time. I wasn't really looking into putting this up yet. I just wanted to see what it would look like, and I wasn't able to get it up just yet. Maybe that's why there's so many negative reviews on it. But that's kind of all the information we have here. Again, it's one of the top features that they are promoting right here at the top of their editions. And it seems pretty straightforward once they bring it all together. As you can see, this is kind of what it would look like, products and the variants within the bundle. So there's a lot of potential depending on your business and what you sell. One of the final things in your analytics after you have a lot of traffic to your site and you have a good conversion rate, click-through rate, one of the final things in that whole trail is right at the bottom is your average order value. And bundles, obviously, is a great way of doing that. Subscriptions, bundles, you name it. Just increasing that average basket is one of the final steps in the analytic journey. So that's all the information I have on Shopify Bundles app. Check it out on your own store. Let me know how it goes. because I couldn't get mine up. Again, I didn't spend that much time on it and I wasn't looking to do that. But at the few minutes I had to try to get it, I couldn't get it up. So if you've started using the Shopify Bundles app and you have it up and running, let me know how it goes. Interested to hear. But that's all the information on this card that is out right now. If you like this video, consider subscribing. This is kind of what I do. I kind of share my Shopify experiences and I like following Shopify news, updates, impactful things that will affect my store and will affect your store, because I really think you should maintain your competitive edge by continuing to learn all about the platform that you base your entire business off of. That's kind of what I follow. So let me do the work for you. Consider subscribing and joining the community. Thank you for watching. And if you do, I'll see you in the next video.